So I don't have much experience with Dyson, and not certified repair person or anything. But my mother-in-law purchased the animal, the original like big purple pink ones that were for pets. So what's going on here is when this long attachment is on this handheld unit plugged into this, the roller won't go. So I gotta find out what the problem is with this roller. One thing I've noticed is that it seems this roller is gonna need powered. It's gonna use a motor to do the roll brush. It's gonna need a plus and minus wires going through, and luckily these have those attachments for the two connections to allow electricity to pass through. So this vacuum's been used pretty roughly, so we're just gonna do a small here. Battery's running low on this, so let's see if it boots up. Okay, and then let's see if we push this button down. Nope, roller is still not going. So without checking it with the multimeter, we can tell that it must not be the connection through this tube, because even when we took the tube out, it was still not going. So when you set it like that, this roller should go. Okay. I assume in the roller part there must be a band connected to the motor. So let's go ahead and put it in unlock mode, which says go down. Okay, this should pop up. Okay, that did not give us what we need. We need these star special tools. I don't believe I have a warranty on this because it would be gone now. We also got a side here. Let's check this side out. This actually takes like the roller bar out. So it's definitely this squiggly piece. There's a motor right here. Maybe they took the... No. So if I plug this into this, and I think this is like some kind of safety, I would assume. That should start running. No. So the belt might be broken, or it's not getting electricity. If it uses a belt, motor might be broken. Some other part might be broken. Can't tell what kind of screw that is. I don't have anything that would be deep enough to reach that. Sometimes some of these other ones fit in well for these. Okay, small flat head, but you're gonna just got to be gentle and careful. Sometimes it can work. Otherwise, I'll have to grab my other set. I'm gonna grab the other set. The really awesome Hypertoph. Woo's missing this perfect little thing. So is that a screw there? Okay, so that is one of those hex screws. Now we should be able to at least remove this okay. I don't know why this one's not budging. So like, yes, there's definitely a screw right here. When you feel, so this button, what is it for? What is this button for? Do you know when it's twisted? Okay, so when you twist it, it pulls it down. That's weird. So that's not stopping us. Is there any more new screws? Okay, so we're going to remove the top. Or at least we're going to attempt to. Saying there's, okay, there we go. Pop it off. There we go. There's our motor. There's our belt. Looks like we'll have to have a part 2. No, the head wants to come off. No! I won't allow it. So it is a belt. And it is on there. Well, thanks for joining me for part 1 that I did not want to have to do.